Hi guys, today I'm going to show you an easy messy bun updo in less than 2 minutes. To start, I'm applying some texture powder all throughout the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then secure the hair into a ponytail at the nape of the neck, but on the last turn only pull the ponytail part way through to create a small loop. Divide the remaining hair in half and just give these a loose twist. Bring them up above that little loop, and we're simply going to tie them in a knot as if we were tying our shoelaces. Pull it tight over the loop and bring the ends down underneath, and then secure the ends with a clear elastic band. I'm going to apply some wax spray all over the hair just to help control flyaways and give a little hold. And then gently pinch and pull at the hair around the top of the head for some more texture, and then really pinch and pull all the loops and twists of this bun apart. Once you're happy with the look, just secure all the way around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.